Yeah, g'day everyone. What I'm doing here, it's a Sunday morning and this is my daughter's house and she's getting a pool done and a huge deck which the boys will be back tomorrow laying the timber, but it's all done on sloping ground and there's quite a lot of expense and drama gone into it with engineers. It's strong enough to build a house on. What she's got here is I'm doing a small pad of well, it's limestone, I think. It's limestone, same as the pool surround. I'm doing it now because I've got to have the pool fence in before it can be pebbled in the pool. Once they do that, they instantly fill it with water, so it's got to be the hand railing has got to be up. So I've got to lay this so it has 2 weeks or a couple of weeks to go off, then they can core drill down into the concrete. So I've got to get moving because it's starting to heat up. See ya.